So your interface looks a certain way, but if you want to go ahead and change how the interface actually looks, then you can go around onto edit right here, and then you can go around onto preferences right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, it actually opens up the preferences window. So you can see that it is loading. And then you can see that this is what you have right here. So now what you can do from here is go into the interface tab right here. So here you can see that there are different panels. For example, there's end marks right here that you can go ahead, and right now it's set to none, but you can also add in florals, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is how you can make minor changes out over here on the interface. You can also go ahead and change around the font size. Let's say, for example, you want to make the interface font large, then you can simply go ahead and select large fonts as well. So now you can also swap only the left and right display group panels as well, just like this, and change around the color of like, let's say, for example, lights out option as well, and change around the dim level of the light as well. So you can see that I can go ahead and change out many things right here, and in order to apply, you simply need to go ahead and press OK right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you need to go ahead and wait for this to actually be applied. You need to go ahead and restart out the application. So now to do that, I'm going to go around onto preferences right here, just like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply restart out the application. Then what happens is that those changes will now get applied. And now you can see that the Lightroom view, the text size is much more larger, as you can see right here, because I chose larger text size, as you can see, just like this. And then this is what you have. So it is loading Lightroom Classic right here. And you can see that everything changed according to how I actually set. So over here you can see this. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to revert back, go to the old Lightroom setting, because everything is quite too big right now. So you can go ahead back onto edit and then go to preferences right here. And then once you do that, you can wait for the preferences window to load up. And then from over here, you can simply go ahead and choose different settings, as you can see right here. So you can go back to default right here, change around the font size to, let's say, for example, automatic default, and then change around the color to as well to default right here, just like this, to revert back right here. So let's just go ahead and change everything out into default right here. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then change out the interface settings as you like inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.